Yo, 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 it's me again, Kachao. So, today is trick time. So, what's the actual trick? It's the hospital and drill ground trick. So, as you can see, we are all lined up here in our capital or Tenryu Castle. So, we are having our round 2 of Warzone Duel against 103, and actually I think they are a little stronger than us. So, I prepared myself for a hard beating tonight. Then, so how do I did that? So as you can see, only have 42,719 drill gun capacity on this account, but I managed to prepare more than that. So how and why here? It's because of the hospital. So here in my hospital, I have 8,619 already healed troops. So I prepared it yesterday during the Golden Zombie event. What I was supposed to maximize it, but I'm kind of sleepy last night and managed to heal them all. So just 8,619 troops instead of 9,200 or 400, I think. Then I still have here the second set of troops in my hospital, which is 3,538. But there are 96 T9 here. Then I also have one set of 1,672 T10. But for the second set, I think this is on cooldown, so I won't be able to claim it tonight. So all in all, even though my drill ground capacity is just 42,719, I think I managed to prepare 58 or 57,000 troops. And if you are going to ask me why do I have 7,244 T6, so the reason is simple. If as you all know, if your base got burned, if someone attacked your base and your base burned, whether you have wall defense or no defense at all, you will lose some ideal troops, and this is the purpose of it. So if idle troops rule is from lowest to highest level. So I have T6 and T10. So the first one to die as idle troops will be my 7,244 T6. So I'll be able to protect my T10 as an idle troops by sacrificing my T6 first. So in this way, I also managed to save some resources, iron and food, and also speed ups. So by just letting them stay as T6 instead of promoting my T6 to T10, and then those T10 will die as idle troops. So it's actually a waste of resources for me. So I'll rather leave them as T6 and then be the sacrifice for the idle troops loss during the battle. I was actually planning to have 10k, but as you can see, my drill guns is already maxed. So this is the limit that I can do for now. And luckily for us, our unit progression comes before before the actual actual Warzone Duel. So that's it for now. One more thing. This is my setup. This is my setup. This is my best hero for today. So Gump will be the one to do the attackings on other or against our opponent's bases. So if he burn, then it's fine. I will only lose a few troops instead of my main attacking others and leaving my base open without defense, then it's no good for me. I don't have any good defense at all. Uh, but my main squad. So I'll use my second if they have some defense but not that strong. So I'll use my air squad. But I think I'll probably get a hard beating tonight. So good luck to us. 1-6. I hope we win today because I need the I need the honor points for my blueprints. So that's it for now. I hope this video helps you, and see you again on the next video.